guys, it's ages since I've done a clothing haul, so as I just got to a point where I haven't been spending any money for so long, I've been panicking about budgets since being on my own, and just spending so much on the boys that I haven't actually spent any money on myself. So it got to this winter, and actually I was on a photo shoot last week and left my jacket on the photo shoot. And to be honest, it was a Zara jacket that I bought probably 5 or 6 years ago, and it was actually wearing thin around the neck, and I just thought, do you know what, here's me texting the photographer desperate to get my jacket back, and I thought actually it is time to treat myself to a new jacket, and it doesn't have to be expensive. So I then thought, right, I'm actually going to just do a bit of a revamp. So I have bought a few of these skinny rib tops that are in for this winter, which I'm really loving. This one was actually off ASOS, and I went for a colour because I'm really bad at always buying blacks, greys, browns, dull tones, and never ever adding any colour to my wardrobe. I don't know what that says about me. And I've shopped from three places that I have used quite a bit over the years, over the last few years. One of my favourites is Zalando, which is an online shop, and I love some of the brands that they have. I really do like some of the things that it's my kind of shop. And we all have those go-to shops, don't we, that fit our budget and that have the brands that we love. So first of all, I'll share with you what I got from Zalando. This, I really love it. It's a Morgan top, and normally I find Morgan clothes really overly branded, you know, with a great big Morgan written across the front, and this one didn't have that, and I just loved it. It's got this red stripe down the side. It was in the sale and it was $19.99. And I wore it out the other day. It arrived on Friday, and I had lots of comments about it, looking really nice, and people couldn't believe that it was $19.99. I don't know if you can see, but there are some sort of wide ribs on that, and it's just, yeah, just really nice and super soft. I'm actually allergic to cashmere. Gutted. I'm allergic to cashmere. It just brings me out in rashes and itching. And this has got the softness of, you know, a quality item, but no itchy. What else did we get in the Zalando box? Let's have a look. I went for this skinny rib top. Let's open this one up. Again, I'm really liking the skinny rib tops that are in. I just find that in winter, that one's lovely. It's sort of royal blue, and I don't know if you can see how thin that is. That's not such a figure hugging one. Again, it was in the sale, so I actually went for medium. I don't know if you've ever done this. I'd normally buy a small. That one is a twin tip top, and it was $17.59. Again, it's got really nice quality feel about it. Turtleneck on that one. And because it is a medium and not a small, it will just have a bit more room in it, because we always have some days, don't we, where we feel, you know, where the tummy is bigger than others. It's just the way it is. So that's really nice. I'm liking that. What have we got here? Oh, I went for a couple of packs of vests, because I always layer stuff. I wear vests underneath jumpers, and these were super cheap. These were £15 for two, and again, a little bit of room there. They're not too figure huggy, but they just go underneath stuff. And I've got quite a few black jumpers, as I mentioned, for the winter. So just always in need of a black vest and a white vest to go under light colour jumpers. This is really cute that I bought. I loved it on the model. It's an Anna Field bobble hat, again in grey, surprisingly enough. But yeah, this was $12.99, and I just think it's really cute. These were the expensive item. Let's get rid of that box down there. So these were the expensive item. I have had a pair of boots, which were Ash boots I bought ages ago, and they're my go-to wedges. I have worn them for about 8 years, right the way through the winter. You know, when a pair of boots is just so comfortable, especially with wedges. I wear them day in, day out. They've got a zip up the inside, ankle support, they're warm inside, and I just love them, but they're actually falling apart now, 8 years in, daily wear. So I decided it was time to get a new pair. These from Zalando were £149, so super duper expensive, but I can't even tell you how comfy those are. They've got a bit more of a wintry feel than the ones that I have been wearing, but I'm kind of loving that. I wanted them to be a little bit different to what I have been wearing. There's loads and loads of these winter boots out at the moment that are kind of slightly Eskimo-y, which is definitely not a word. But I'm really, really loving them. I ordered a pair in black, not the same, obviously, a much cheaper pair. And yeah, just really liking these, but searching for winter boots online at the moment, there's loads of stuff like that in the shop. So my next shop was Missguided, which again, quite cheap stuff, but if you buy the right things and match them up with the right other stuff, they can look really great. The first thing that I got was this pink puffer, and it is so warm. Oh my gosh, I wore it the other day. Let me just put that on, and it's chunky. The boy's like, "Mum, you look like a snowman," but I can tell you this is so warm. I'm not a lover of puffer jackets, but I'll tell you what, that completely changes on a really cold day where you're stood there watching the kids sports in a playing field, and this is just so warm. It was 45 quid, this one, from Missguided, and I really, really like that. Dusky pink, so it's not like this top, garish pink. Then once again, because I'm into the skinny rib thing, I really do like this fashion, and I'm loving that it's in this winter. I have got this, which is a body, so obviously that would do up under jeans, or a really nice pair of wide leg trousers over that, I think. But it's just really nice, cream body there. That was 20 quid. That seems to be, you know, they seem to range from about sort of £16 to 20 quid. And again, it's a good quality one. So that's that for 20 quid. And then, these boots, which I really, really love. I'm so bad at buying. I buy heels that are too high all the time. I'm a real lover of stiletto shoes. I have got more stilettos and high wedges than I could ever possibly wear, because I actually never go out, and what I need is mum's shoes, because I'm always with the kids. Now these aren't too high. I disciplined myself. I needed a pair that were not 4-inch heels, which these aren't. I think they're probably 2.5, 3-inch heels, so not too high. And I've got quite a few over the knee pairs of boots, and these are not even up to the knee. They sort of come just over my calf, and I really, really like those. Those were 50 quid, so, you know, they're not crazy cheap, but they're not crazy expensive either. And just really nice for dressing up a pair of jeans. I love a pair of jeans with boots and a nice little black top. That is one of my go-to winter looks every year. So the last one we've got to do is Boohoo. I did some shopping on Boohoo, and check this out, £28 for this lovely jacket. So this was the one that I bought in replacement for the one I left in the photographic studio this week. And just have a look at that. It's actually for 28 quid. It's got a little fur-lined collar on the inside. Couple of gold buttons on the back there, poppers, and little tiny gold zipper details. I really, really like that for 28 quid. You can't really go wrong, can you? You can't have enough jackets. I tend to leave one in the car because I always get caught out when I run out of the house without a jacket on. And then this one I bought, it was in sale. I completely didn't need it, but it was £9, and it's a little cobweb dress for Halloween. If you've watched any of my Halloween videos, some of my chats in the past, you'll know that I'm not a Halloween lover. I don't like all the ghoulish, garish stuff. You know, I didn't want anything that was too nasty. But this I could cope with for 9 quid. It's just a little black dress with cobwebs and stuff. And I'm going to a friend's party for Halloween, and it's going to be a kids thing. So I thought, rather than turning up with great big open wounds that I've spent ages doing in makeup, I'm just gonna wear a simple dress like that. This was 25 quid, and it's a little blazer, because I had an idea in my head of just dressing this up. It's not gonna go, as you can see, it's got nice little ruched sleeves. It's a little bit creased actually, and definitely shouldn't be worn with this top. But as you can see, the ruched sleeves are really nice, and I think this blazer with you know, a little, and once again, a little black top underneath it would be great. You can see the length of it there. So yeah, just nice to wear for a night out, to smarten up a pair of jeans or something like that. Just from those 3 online shops, I've topped up my wardrobe, especially with the skinny rib tops that I'm really enjoying. The thing that I'm gonna have to really question is these boots, because obviously they were expensive. So that is that. I'm pretty happy with my haul. It really is the first time I've spent any money on me in quite a while. So it just feels nice to unwrap some things and to fill up the wardrobe. And thank you for watching. Please do make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to click the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.